Hello MasterStudy LMS users. Are you searching for a plugin to import quizzes in MasterStudy LMS? Then, I have good news for you. Use our newest plugin STM Quiz Importer plugin to import 4 types of quizzes to MasterStudy from a CSV. These 4 types are single choice, multi-correct choice, fill the gap type, item match type. Now, in this video, we will demonstrate importing the multi-correct choice type quiz through a CSV. First, download the template multi-choice from the settings page of the plugin. Open the CSV template file. You will see certain columns with easy-to-understand headings. These columns need to be filled properly. So, in the question type column, write multi-choice in lowercase letters. Write actual questions in the question title column. Now, write a category for the quiz in the question category column. If you want to put an image in question, write the ID for the images or full URL of the hosted image. In this template you will have 5 answer options and answer explanations. Fill as per your requirement. Most important is that you must write the correct answer as a comma-separated number in the answer column. If you want to show the correct answer, write yes in the Show Correct Answer column. If you want to put the grade, write a number in the Passing Grade column. If you want to put the negative marks for retake, write a number in the Points Total Cut After Retake column. If you want the randomization, write yes in the Randomize Questions column. Next, write quiz title and quiz content. Here, you can fill the quiz front-end description. You can also import quiz featured image through ID or URL. You can set quiz duration by putting numbers in this column and duration measures column. Now, if you want to attach quizzes to a specific course or lesson, you have to put a course name for the required field. Next, you have to write either a section name or a relevant ID for the lesson. That's it. Save this template as CSV. Then go to STM Quiz Importer Settings page and upload your template. Your quizzes will not only import but will also be assigned to courses and lessons. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the MasterStudy LMS related plugins.